For years, the default answer to the question of what premium tablet you should buy has been an iPad. But Samsung is about to completely flip the script and shake the industry. The leaks are pouring in, the firmware is actively being tested, and what we are seeing is nothing short of a technological powerhouse. I am talking about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus. If you thought the premium tablet market had peaked, you are dead wrong. Samsung is throwing out the old playbook, making aggressive changes to their hardware partnerships, and packing in a battery and AI system that could legitimately make your current laptop feel entirely obsolete. Welcome back to Tap Tech. In today's video, we are diving deep into every single credible leak, rumor, and confirmed specification of the upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 Plus. We are going to cover the controversial new processor, the massive battery upgrade, and the jaw-dropping price tag. Let us talk about the design and build quality, because when you pay top dollar in premium markets, you expect a luxury device. Samsung is delivering exactly that. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus will feature an impossibly thin, aerospace-grade armor aluminum chassis. We are talking about a device roughly 5 mm thick, shedding every unnecessary millimeter from previous generations. It is incredibly sleek, perfectly balanced, and undeniably premium in the hands. It is built to survive the real world. The Tab S12 Plus carries a rigorous IP68 water and dust resistance rating. You can accidentally spill your expensive morning coffee all over this tablet at the office, or get caught in a sudden torrential rainstorm while traveling, and the tablet will not even flinch. It brings absolute peace of mind to a massive financial investment. But what truly commands your attention and justifies the premium cost is the screen. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is heavily rumored to feature a stunning 12.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. This brilliant canvas brings your favorite content to life with perfect inky blacks and vibrant colors. With a fluid 120 Hz variable refresh rate, every swipe, scroll, and animation feels flawlessly smooth. The real game changer is the brightness. Leaks point to a staggering peak outdoor brightness of around 1,600 nits. You can be sitting in a sun-drenched cafe in Los Angeles or reviewing documents on a bright patio, and you will still see your screen with crystal clear clarity. The 12.4-inch size is the sweet spot of the tablet world. It is large enough for serious 4K video editing, complex spreadsheets, and immersive gaming, but remains compact enough to easily slide into a backpack. And we cannot possibly talk about a premium Samsung tablet without talking about the S Pen. Here is a massive reality check for the industry. Samsung actually includes the stylus inside the box. While Apple forces you to spend over $100 for their Apple Pencil Pro, Samsung gives you their industry-leading S Pen immediately. The S Pen features ultra-low latency, making sketching and drawing feel entirely indistinguishable from putting a real pen to physical paper. Whether you are a professional digital artist illustrating a masterpiece or a corporate executive signing PDF contracts on the go, the S Pen remains the best bundled accessory in tech today. Now, brace yourselves, because here is where things get highly controversial and incredibly exciting. For years, Samsung's top-tier tablets have exclusively been powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors. But the leaks are confirming a massive pivot for the S12 generation. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is expected to be powered by MediaTek's absolute flagship, the Dimensity 9500 Plus chipset. MediaTek has completely closed the performance gap. The Dimensity 9500 Plus is an absolute monster engineered with extreme power efficiency and true desktop-class processing power that will easily handle anything you throw at it. Whether exporting heavy multi-track video timelines or playing graphically intense mobile games, this MediaTek chip will crush it without breaking a sweat. It guarantees blazing fast, uncompromising performance for years to come. To back up that processor, Samsung is bringing serious memory and storage configurations to the table. The base model will start with an impressive 12 GB of high-speed RAM. 12 GB ensures your background applications will never aggressively close. Storage options are expected to start at 256 GB and scale up to 1 TB. And yes, Samsung is proudly keeping the dedicated microSD card slot alive. In a market where expandable storage is practically extinct, being able to pop in a relatively cheap 1 TB SD card to store downloaded movies and massive project files is a massive victory for pro consumers. Let us move on to the battery, because all this incredible processing power is completely useless if your tablet dies halfway through a transatlantic flight. Keeping these incredibly thin, super bright screens powered up has been a challenge, but Samsung is stepping up aggressively. Supply chain leaks and firmware data reveal the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is getting a physical battery bump, moving to a massive 10,500 mAh cell. Combining this physically larger battery with the extreme power efficiency of the new Dimensity 9500 Plus chip means you are looking at a device that absolutely refuses to quit. We are talking about true, reliable, all-day battery life for heavy professional users. When it does come time to plug in, you will get Samsung's reliable 45-watt fast wired charging to get you back up to 100% safely, efficiently, and rapidly. Hardware is only half the story, though. The real reason the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus might actually replace your primary laptop is the software experience. This tablet will launch with the latest version of Android, deeply integrated with Samsung's incredibly refined One UI. The absolute star of the show here is Samsung DeX. With a single tap, your standard Android tablet interface transforms into a full desktop environment, complete with a traditional taskbar, floating resizable windows, and proper external mouse and keyboard support. Hook this tablet up to an external monitor, and you have an ultra-portable, highly capable laptop replacement. Galaxy AI takes center stage, deeply integrated into the operating system. Imagine sitting in a 2-hour corporate meeting, you simply hit record, and Galaxy AI will automatically transcribe the entire conversation, differentiate between multiple speakers, and instantly generate a neatly formatted summary. The drawing assist features will take your rough S Pen doodles and use advanced generative AI to turn them into polished, professional graphics in mere seconds. Live translation features will break down language barriers in real time during your video calls. Speaking of video calls, the tablet will feature a sharp 12-megapixel ultra-wide front-facing camera logically mounted on the landscape edge, ensuring you look perfectly framed and professional during your Zoom or Microsoft Teams meetings. Furthermore, Samsung is matching industry standards by promising 7 years of operating system and security updates. This means your tablet will remain secure, fast, and packed with new features well into the next decade. So, when can you get your hands on this absolute beast, and how much is it going to hurt your wallet? Based on current timelines, the global launch is expected around September 2026. Because Samsung is streamlining its lineup, you can expect the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus to start somewhere around the $1,100 to $1,200 mark. It is an undeniably premium price tag for an undeniably premium piece of technology. But when you factor in the massive OLED display, the laptop-class processor, the included S Pen, and 7 years of guaranteed software support, it presents a highly compelling value proposition. The premium tablet wars are heating up, and Samsung is pulling absolutely no punches. Drop your thoughts in the comments section down below, because we read every single one. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and be the first to know about the latest tech leaks and authentic reviews, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You have been watching Tap Tech. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the very next video.